Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the NEMIX RAM 384GB DDR5 ECC unbuffered UDMM memory kit. This isn't your average RAM. We're talking serious power for workstations, servers, and even high-end PCs. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a provider of high-quality memory solutions, and this kit certainly aims to deliver on that promise. With a massive 384GB capacity spread across 848GB modules, this DDR5 kit is designed for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, scientific simulations, and running virtual machines. The 5600 MHz speed and CL46 latency offer a balance of performance and responsiveness. One of the key features is its ECC, error-correcting code, functionality. This is crucial for environments where data integrity is paramount. ECC memory detects and corrects errors that can occur during operation, preventing crashes and ensuring stability, especially in critical applications. The unbuffered UDIM design makes it compatible with a wide range of systems, from workstations to servers. Installation is generally straightforward, as with most RAM upgrades. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of installation, suggesting that most users can handle it themselves with the help of their owner's manual. NEMIX RAM backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory. They also boast a seasoned IT support staff, ready to assist with any questions or issues. For professionals and enthusiasts who need maximum memory capacity and reliability, the NEMIX RAM 384GB DDR5 kit is a compelling option. It's an investment in performance and stability that can pay off in increased productivity and reduced downtime.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.